Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is better, Behance or Artstation. So here we have Behance and Artstation. They're both platforms for creative workloads and workflows, as you can see right here. This is to showcase their art and sell it at the same time. So here we have Artstation also. So they're both basically the same thing, and you can purchase collections right here for certain amounts of dollars. So here there's also such in Behance. All you have to do is go to assets and you'll be able to locate them. So when it comes to your own comparison between these two, I would personally go with Behance because there are a lot of things you can do, such as the file extensions you can search and then filter it out, even your categories and price. You can go with free, premium, and just all in categories. So here you also have your channels. You can also do so right here, but I find it more better in Adobe Behance because it's more professional. So this can be also used as commercial licenses. So when it comes to the pro version, as you can see right here, this is $13 a month. So this is a yearly billed month, which is around just 10 bucks. So you will be billed 10 bucks a month for a year. And you also have your yearly for $100. And then here, when it comes to your Artstation, you'll be able to pay annually for 10 bucks to $9.95 and a monthly of $15 compared to the $13 of the monthly of your own Adobe. So you'll be able to use your custom Adobe portfolio, advanced analytics, and 0% platform fees. So here in Artstation Pro, you're gonna get everything in one place too. You're gonna get a portfolio, website, store blog, and training and community all in one platform. Even has a money back guarantee, but this one has a tax deductible expense as a freelancer, unlike your Behance with 0% platform fees, which I recommend better, where they're not gonna charge you, unlike Artstation. When it comes to overall, I would prefer Behance, as you can see right here. So there you go guys, that is my opinion on Behance versus Artstation, which is better. I would personally go with Behance here. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.